Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I wanted to show you some blasts from the past videos. So, you guys have been seeing what I'm currently doing in my new warehouse space. I'm getting a concrete pad poured today. And so, for that occasion, I wanted to show you it wasn't always this awesome in my resale space. I had struggled to get there and I worked out of small spaces. So I'm going to show you some old unboxings and also some of my old workspace. Hopefully you enjoy it.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am opening another bulk.com box and we're going to find out what's in it. This one was $220. This is about what we spent on this one. And after I open it, we will look up all the items and find out exactly how much we're supposed to make. I just opened another one. And so hopefully you watch that one to see what kind of items. That one was really good. We had a lot of electronics. Amazon was selling a lot of the items, which always makes me a little bit nervous that my item is not going to sell because they like to keep the buy box. But I usually try to undercut Amazon so I can get my one or two items out of the way. Usually that doesn't bother. Okay. So, this is what we got. Ooh, lots of fun stuff. Notice right away, Fitbit. So this is actually the HR. So it even has the charging cable in it, which means it's not a replacement Fitbit. If you've ever had a Fitbit that breaks and you order a replacement, they don't send you the charging cable. So this is actually a brand new, it's the pink heart rate charge Fitbit. Those are about $100, I know, if you buy them at Walmart. So we got that. Alright, Pro Cabello blow dryer. So it's in a real fancy box. Like the whole box is like, ooh, it's really nice. So I bet it's worth a lot. And I see does this have a barcode? We might have to look that one up manually. The last box I opened was awesome because everything had a barcode and everything scanned. A Cuisinart flatware 20-piece set. So it's a Cuisinart. If you don't know anything about Cuisinart, it's a really, really high-end kitchen supplies. I personally have a Cuisinart coffee pot that I was given as a gift, and it's phenomenal. So Cuisinart is a high-end kitchen supplies. So that's a 20-piece.
I now have a Keurig, and I kept those Cuisinart silverware for myself.
Another one. I'll have to count them, make sure everything's in there. So that will make 2 of those. This is looks like a USB cable adapter. Okay, it's a printer cable. It's got the square end for the printer, it's got a barcode on it, and it's got the USB for your plug-in. So it's a printer cable. The Probis Twister looks like a ceramic curling iron. So we can sell in health and beauty. Not every FBA seller is ungated to sell in health and beauty, but we can, so that's beneficial. This is a lock, a coated lock. Looks like it has all the pieces with a deadbolt. So I'll have to make sure all the pieces are there. It's got the manual, so I'll look it up and make sure all the pieces are there and that everything's in good working condition. Found some more silverware. I really will have to count this set. Alright, more silverware. Okay. This is ring. I actually saw this advertised. If you ever watch the show Shark Tank, I saw this advertised on Shark Tank. Basically what it is when somebody rings your doorbell, it's a video camera. I think it was advertised on Shark Tank under a different name, but then they rebranded it. But it's a video camera so you can always see who's at your door. So that's really, really cool. It looks like the whole thing is intact. It's got all the pieces in there. So that's pretty cool. So it's a security option for your house. This looks like a watch. Oh no, it's another type of Fitbit. IGHR Trek. It's a Trek band. So it looks like that. I have the Ulta Fitbit, so. Alright, what else we got in here? It's a coin collection. I don't know if you can see that. $1. See, look, I already made money. I got my $1 coins. So it looks like they are a 1979, P a 1970. They're Susan B. Anthony's. So
I didn't know they made them all the way up to 1981. 1979, fabulous.
Check it out. I still have them. I wanted to keep them and I put them up on my shelf and they sit right above my computers because they were made the year that I was born. Pretty cool, huh?
This year, by the way. Happens to be the year I was born. Alrighty. Here's another, these are the Jarvis ones. The Jarv, they're like Fitbits, but they're a lower end. And I've got a couple of them, different kinds. This one's a Run Fit. This one's an Elite. Fitness trackers. Alright. There's another Fitbit. It's a turquoise. It actually turned on. The battery is blinking, so I know this one works. Alright. Another Elite Fitbit tracker. Another Jarv Elite. That's going to be nice. One listing, multiple products. This one is a Jawbone. It even comes with the charging cable. Same thing, just a lower end Fitbit basically. Alright, this is a piece of luggage. Looks like it's an ox gourd. Oh, it's an animal carrier. So it's for like small dogs or cats. It's got wheels on it. It's got a pull-out carrier, kind of like a luggage case, but it's for animals. Looks like it's brand new, never been used. This is another cat carrier. What is called a... Yep, pet carrier, ox gourd pet carrier. Looks like this one's just a handle duffel bag style. Alright, what else we got in here? We have the Great Big Storybook collection, 10 stories to share. Looks like it's got different books inside of it.
Thank goodness I learned to stand behind the table so you can actually see the products from here on out. Can't even really see what's there because I'm in the way.
Pet training collar. So this is the thing you put around their neck and it zaps them.
Works with kids too.
We don't use it on our kids. Don't give them any bad ideas. All right, pet training collar to keep them in their yards, cats and dogs, stuff like that. So I don't know if it's electric shock kind or what, but here's another heart rate monitor, Sport BP. Looks like another type of walking pedometer tracker.
All so funny, haha.
Mint scent thing, like those aromatic sensors. So you can put different flavors and stuff in there. This is an LED push light system. So it looks like basically it's fake recessed lighting on the cheap. So you can stick these to your ceiling and it actually has a remote and you have LED recessed lighting. It's showing in the picture.
What did I just drop there? I think I just broke it.
Alright. Let's see what else we got in here. A red Fitbit charge. The cool thing about this is they discontinued the regular Fitbit charge, but not the HR. The HR has the heart rate tracker on it, and so that one is still in circulation. The only reason I know they got rid of the charge is because I used to have a charge, and it was damaged, and they actually sent me an Alta instead.
Sounds like there's a tornado
Youth
outside.
Health Tracker, so it's basically a Fitbit for a teen.
More Fitbits inside the tornado. This is when we're in our
Everlast.
carport.
It's a tracker, another tracker. It's an Everlast. It looks just like a Fitbit.
Aren't you glad we have our indoor warehouse now? Much better.
A Jarv Elite, another one of those. Another Jarv Elite tracker. This is New England Patriots Super Bowl champions from the year 2017 is when this was put out. So, if you like the Patriots, here you go. I used to watch football and then they left. Now I'm sad. Alright, 2 water bottles. One of them actually comes with a filter. So, Tritan sports bottles. So that one actually comes with a water filter in it. Let's see. A red Fitbit HR charge. Another red charge. These are awesome. So I know those will sell. Alright, we've got a thermometer, infrared thermometer. A Mesaw Pro digital infrared thermometer with a barcode. So it's still brand new in package.
I learned to actually flip things over and read them upside down so that Paul could actually
It's
put
a
the camera
natural
at them so you
Himalayan
could actually see them.
salt lamp.
It took me forever to sell that salt lamp
So
because it weighs
I'm
so
not sure
much,
what
so
it's
it
supposed
sat
to
on
do.
eBay forever
the
because
heat of the
nobody wanted to
lamp
pay shipping.
dissipates into the salt so the outside stays
It is
cool
cool,
to the
though.
touch. Perfect for reducing stress. Okay. So if I'm stressed out, I'll use my Himalayan salt lamp. All right. Fitbit Charge 2, another one. Jarve Active, it's a purple one with heart rate. It seems like if it has a heart rate monitor, it's worth a lot more. This one is another heart rate monitor. Let me see. This little thing is in the way, I don't know. Sport BP heart rate monitor. Looks like just a generic one. This is RBX Activity Tracker Watch. So, same thing. I love these because there's so many of them, but they're small. So they're really, really easy. Alright, this is a DC electric air pump. Inflator and deflator. And I'm assuming it goes with this, because this is some sort of an air mattress. But it looks like the adapter's the exact same. So it's got a barcode on it. Hopefully we can see exactly what brand it is without having
Air
to pull the whole thing
mattresses
out of
always
the box.
have hated,
But I imagine
hated
this
air
is supposed
mattresses.
to
We
go
can
with
never
it.
sell air mattresses. They weigh a bazillion
Alright.
pounds. If you get air
Here's
mattresses,
another one of those instant
still
reading
terrible lies.
thermal thermometers. Here's another Fitbit Charge 2. So this is the Charge 2, not the original Charge, it's the newer one. This one is another Sport BP heart rate monitor. Here is another Fitbit Charge, it looks like. And it's got the dongle and the charging cable and everything with it, a teal one. That one's obviously used because it doesn't come in the original packaging. This is a car charger. Something with it. Oh, it's a GPS. It's got a suction cup thing, and it's got the car charger for some sort of a digital GPS. Here's another Fitbit. I don't know if it's an HR or not, but it comes with everything. It comes with the charging cable, the actual Fitbit, and the dongle that goes in your computer. This is a cabinet light. So we have lighting, exercise gear, health and beauty. Oh, random book. One more thing. Another book set. Oh, this is Discovery Kids, Dinosaurs. It's got a bunch of different kinds. Travel, wild animals. But it looks like it's a set of 5. So it's probably a set that always comes together. So I'll polybag it really nice because it definitely is brand new. So that is all that is in there. So lots of exercise equipment. I know those Fitbits are going to have good sales ranks, some health and beauty, this random security door thing, so housing, exercise, but all really, really good stuff. A lot of smalls, which I love, 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 all brand new in the box.
Aren't you so thankful that we got microphones so you can hear us better now? So hopefully it was fun to see an old school unboxing from bulk.com, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.